guys, for today's ganap ay samahan niyo ako magsusululaag tayo. Yes, ako lang, wala akong kasama, and honestly, I'm not even sad about it. I mean, sometimes it's so nice to date yourself, diba? Lately, na-enjoy ko na talagang lumabas mag-isa. Yung wala kang hinihintay, wala kang i-consider na schedule, yung kung gusto mong maglakad, maglalakad ka, kung gusto mong huminto, hindi huminto ka. Guys, alauna na pala nito ng hapon, and yes, grabe ang init, as in parang free trial sa impyerno, haha. Pero look at the sky, ang ganda pa rin niya kahit sobrang init, ang static pa rin. After that, waiting game muna tayo sa tricycle. No rush, just enjoying the... And finally, nakasakay na rin, one ride closer na sa ating destination. Plot twist, hindi pala ito ang last ride. Transfer muna tayo sa jeep. Front seat pa guys, feeling main character tayo, hahaha. And finally, we're here sa Ayala. Excited talaga ako because may itatry akong activity na first time kong gagawin. And so, diretso na tayo sa elevator. Honestly, kinakabahan akong ng slide. Pero excited is stronger than fear. Okay, mission natin yun is hanapin ng iSports. At ayun, yun. At pagkapasok ko, ay nagtanong muna ako ng rate. Siyempre, first timer tayo, hindi tayo pwedeng kunyari alam na lahat. Super bait ng staff nila, kaya nawala agad yung kaba ko. So, ito na, nilagyan na ako ni Kuya ng arm guard, guys. Officially, Archer era na tayo!
Don't leave me out here dancing alone. Can't make up your mind. Please don't waste my time. Not trying to rewind.
Ayan, for moment of truth, first time kong mag-archer, hindi siya ganun kadali ha. Kala ko dati hihila ka lang tapos boom. Hindi pala, kailangan may focus talaga. Hindi man perfect yung aim ko, pero at for first timer, I'll take it. And after that, nag-question up muna tayo for the next adventure. Pagkalabas ko ng mall, napansin kong haba ng pila, curious girl tayo. So lumapit ako, tapos nalaman ko, shuttle pala siya papuntang Tops. Sabi ko, nandito na rin naman ako, go na. After waiting for minutes, nakasakay na rin kami. And finally, we made it. Welcome to Tops Cebu. Guys, first time ko dito. Pagkapasok ko, pinakita ko lang yung entrance ticket ko. Tinatakan na nila ako officially. And that's it. Officially nasa loob na ako. And as in, parang bata ako na first time sa field trip, lahat gusto puntahan. Lahat gusto kong makita. Then, ito na, the moment I've been waiting for. Grabe, ang ganda. As in, yung hangin, yung city buildings, yung mountain view, everything feels so beautiful. Promise, hindi siya kayang i-capture ng camera. Mas maganda talaga siya in person. nakapag-sing along kay Kuya nagpe-perform. Before ako uuwi, nag-avail ako ng Magic Vintage Photo kasi hello, first time ko to. Kailangan may remembrance and honestly, ang cute niya. Future me will definitely thank me for this. And just like that, it's time to go home. Alam nyo, today reminded me that being alone doesn't mean you're lonely. Sometimes, the best memories happen when it's just you. So kung naghihintay ka pa ng kaibigan, jowa, o kahit sino para makipag-explore, this is your sign. Go! Take yourself out, date yourself, explore new places because life doesn't have to wait for anyone. Thank you so much for spending day with me. Bye guys!